Hello everyone, welcome to the channel AppWithChip. In this tutorial, we are going to learn what is black box monitoring and how we can make it simpler using a single command or a script. So basically, black box monitoring involves knowing values and metrics that you can check without looking at the application metrics. So for example, you might need to check the CPU starts, the memory usage, or the input output operations per second happening in the system using certain commands. For example, to know about CPU, you may run the top command, or to know about the memory usage, you may run free -m command, and for disk you may run df-th, or for knowing the IOPS you can run iostat command. So basically these are different sets of command which you can actually use to do black box monitoring, to know the details about the system, about the processes, the disk, CPU, memory, etc. So these are the commands which you can use, but as you can see, you are running multiple commands and you are getting the output on a separate after running the separate command. We will create a script which will have all these commands in that script, and when we run that script, it will show us the summary of all these commands. So let's see how we can do that. For this, I have created a public gist, and you can simply download it or you can simply copy paste it. So I have already created it and it's inside user local bin and the name is SO. So SO is a simple file, and you need to make it executable with the command sudo chmod a+x user local bin SO. After you have made it executable, you can actually run it. So all I need to do is simply type SO and hit enter, and as you can see, I have got all the details, all the stats. So the very first thing I can see is IOStat, top 4 device IO activity, and the output is here, the average CPU, the system percentage, the IO wait percentage. Then we have a VM stats, which shows me the number of process waiting for the CPU, memory idle, swapped in memory, etc. And then the disk usage part, and then we have a process with highest memory usage. As you can see, Firefox is the one which is using the most of the memory, and then we have a process with highest CPU utilization. And after that, we have max thread running process. The third column is number of threads, and this is the process. So let's see what's inside this script. So this is a simple bash script in which I have created different functions for different commands. For IOStat, the function is get IOStat, and this is the command that I'm running, and I am filtering it using awk and head sort. So I'm simply filtering the output of the different commands, that is vmstat, iostat, and for basic info the command is w, which tells me about the system information, and then max thread running. So I have created all these methods, and then there is a method get help which displays different options. So if you just want to see the information related to IOStat, you can simply run the command so space I. Let's see that. First of all, I'll run the option help, and it will tell me that these are the options available. So so space I will tell me the IO related activities, then so space D, then so, and the next option is for the basic info, it's S, and so on. So these are the different options. You can definitely add or change the shortcut as you want. and then we have different methods that are getting called on the basis of the options. You can definitely change this and create your own methods, and you can also change the filters that you are doing. If you require some extra piece of information for from a particular command, then you can obviously go ahead and change this. So guys, this is all about black box monitoring and how you can make it simple with a single piece of command. The link of the gist is available in the description section of this video. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thanks for watching.